whom the Lord Jehovah loves. In various ways reproves. 'Tis his settled wise decree that his sons chastised shall be, them to wean from self and sin. Try the grace he works within. Strip them of each idol god. Make them prize the Savior's blood. Teach them what and where they are. Draw forth patience, faith, and prayer. Make them closer cling to Christ, and in him alone rejoice. These are ends he has in view, and he'll them accomplish too. Nor shall our poor peevish heart make him from his purpose start. Yet his love and grace are such, he will ne'er afflict too much. But in every chastening through, his paternal care and love, Father, make us clearly view what thy love designs to do. And in every trying case, trust thy faithfulness and grace.